Hey, today we're planting some tobacco, personal use type tobacco, but you can see the little tobacco plant. Well, I'm doing something a little different. Tobacco is a high nitrogen user. I think I shot a short video on my crimson clover field, and we happen to be in that clover field right now. So I am going to plant Virginia, a Burley, and Shirley tobacco in here. Just a few plants. And then I'll have to do some on separate locations if I want to try to save seed, because I got 3 different kinds of tobaccos going to be growing in this small crimson clover field. So we'll see if the high nitrogen in the crimson clover helps anything or not. I'm also using it for, probably going to be chopping it with a hand scythe, and I'll be laying it around the tobacco as a mulch as the tobacco starts to get a little more maturity. Right now I'm trying to keep some of the wind out. You see there's some wind damage in here, and we're going to keep a little wind out. We will hopefully give it a little shade, which looks like it's not going to be much, but again, as it starts to, and weeds, we need to keep our weeds out. So what I got is just a plot here in about 3 feet. I got another one, another one, another one. I just took a hand scythe out a little spot, mixed in farm manure that we carry here. So figured I'd give a little bit of a view on what we're doing here. Pretty much on the homestead nursery area. So I'm gonna give you a little closer look to it. It's a pretty good looking little plant. It's let me get the camera working here a little better. So that's a Virginia plant, and I raised it in the solo cup, and that's how we're gonna, as big as I get it, and then we'll transplant it. I'm trying to think of the date. I know we're after Mother's Day, so we're definitely out of the frost danger. Saying that though, so I was leaving some plants out that I didn't really care if they died or not in a big flat, and it was frosted on them quite a bit. It never killed them, which I'm very surprised. So it's an interesting thing. This is about my 3rd year growing tobacco. I've never tried it with the in the cover crop field. So see what happens. Just interesting stuff to learn. It's just a beautiful plant. It gets real big. Good conversational piece when somebody sees it. So this is Food Plant Nursery. Keep growing that food. Out.